This is an incredibly exciting time for Alta Summit Medical Center. We've never had a graduate medical education program.
Sutter Health recognized that there is a lack of physicians in the area.
The East Bay is not only changing, it's going to continue to grow, and we get to bring physician learners here to be a part of that journey.
There is a very diverse patient population that exists within Oakland, and because of that, you're seeing a lot of interesting cases that are coming through, where you have to be able to think on your feet. For example, my first rotation was in the ICU, which is pretty scary, but I was able to survive with the help of my co-residents as well as my attendings.
What I love most about being a resident here is the people. Both my residency class, but also program leadership, the attendings, even just the staff around the hospital have all been so open and enthusiastic and wonderful to work with that it has really made this transition incredibly easy.
I'm really excited for the residents to be able to really see what it's like to be a primary care doctor. You know, I don't think in medical school we really get that experience about what it's like. And I think that's really the big draw of primary care in ambulatory medicine. And I really want our residents to be able to experience that.
This program provides a great opportunity to work one-on-one with attendings and get a lot of personalized attention in terms of learning how to conduct a physical exam and formulate an assessment and plan. It's a great place to learn.
One of the best things that I realized after coming here is that our voices are heard. We have those frequent feedback Fridays. Everything is taken into consideration, and really love that the leadership is trying to make it the best residency program and the best experience.
Say for those that are looking for a program that have maybe a little access to the surf, to the snow, to wonderful food, you have that here.
Everyone always wants to know about the food, and I'll say the food here is pretty great. As a vegetarian, I always have multiple options during the week. Just in general, being in the Bay Area, being in Oakland means that the food here outside of the hospital is pretty great too.
Being in the Bay Area, our strong faculty members, Sutter Health organization with its resources and GME expertise, as well as the fact that Alta Summit Medical Center is a very important hospital in the community, makes this one of the best places to train. If you want to be in the forefront of healthcare, this is the place to be.
I did my residency program in a similar urban setting that had a variety, a diversity of patients. So after I graduated from residency, I wanted to practice in a similar place. And now I realize how much my training has served me as a physician. I remember my attendings who taught me so much. And I wish to carry on that tradition of passing the knowledge on to the future generation of doctors who will pick up the responsibility of serving our community.